Welcome to the Second Skin Shop's tutorial on how to sew an X-strap elastic on your pointe shoe, as well as ribbon underneath the arch of your foot. The first step is you're going to need one package of ribbon that you're going to cut in half, so you have one ribbon for each shoe, and 2 packets of elastic, which you'll cut in half. So you have 2 pieces of elastic, one for each shoe. The next step, you're going to place the ribbon underneath the arch of your foot. Then put the pointe shoe on and pin that ribbon, one on each side that lines up with the arch of your foot. Next, you're going to pin the elastic just as usual behind the heel. Find the middle seam there and about a 1/2 inch on each side. And then you're also going to pin the elastic right on top of the ribbon. Go ahead and go up on point with all the pins in. If you need to make any adjustments, come down, repin, and go back up. Once the adjustments seem correct, go ahead and start sewing. So if you watched our previous tutorials, the elastic straps on the heel are going to be sewn just the same by sewing all the way around, making a square on both sides. The ribbon, again, is going to go underneath the arch of the foot. It's okay if it's like a little bit loose on the bottom as it pulls. And the front elastic you'll put right on top of that ribbon and sew all the way around, just like you did in the previous videos. So I'm going to start by sewing on this side. As you can see, I have the elastic pinned and the ribbon pinned right underneath. Just as before, I have my needle and thread, and I have it double knotted at the bottom. Again, stitch through the bottom of the casing, making sure you miss the drawstring. Go through the ribbon elastic and pull all the way through. And as always, I recommend a stitch kit from your local dance store because the stitch kit comes with a heavier needle and heavier thread. Again, we're going to start with our whip stitch. Pull most of the way through. Go through the double loop and pull just to make it more secure. Feel free to do that one more time. And again, it's up to you. You can go through just that top layer, inner lining, or you can go all the way through the satin. Now we're going to whip stitch the rest of the way. And some dancers will sew the ribbon first, then they'll go back and sew the elastic. I'm just doing both at the same time to make it a little bit faster. Again, through the casing, through the ribbon, through the elastic. And at the bottom, I'm going to do a running stitch. One more whip stitch. can turn this heel inside out to make it a little bit easier to see. Going into the running stitch. Back to the whip stitch. And I'm almost to the casing, which once again, I'm going to switch back over to running stitch. I'm going to go ahead and take the pin out. Switch over to the running stitch. Cut my thread, tie a double knot, cut again, and as you can see, it's sewn on both sides. I have the heel sewn. The last step is to sew the elastic on the back of the heel, which you could watch on my previous video. But it's also no different than sewing on the side. And you're done. Thanks for watching.